Let's unbox my first Labubu ever! Hi, if you haven't seen me before, my name is Shay. I'm a travel blogger for 8 years. I'm here currently in Bangkok, Thailand right now. And I went hunting for these Labubus because I originally thought they are hideous. Like, why would anyone like this? Because it's not cute. It's kind of ugly or fugly. And then social media just won't stop showing them to me, and I'm like, okay, well, they're kind of adorbs. So I'm calling them fugly but adorbs. So I'm like, okay, well, I guess I should get some and see what's the fuss about. It's from a Hong Kong artist called Kasing Long. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly or I'm butchering it. It was from a children's book, and Popmart makes them now as this vinyl plush pendant. Okay, enough talking. I've talked so much. Anyway, let's open it up. I'm excited now. I'm like, I just don't know what I'm gonna get because you got all the choices, and I think I want to get the purple one. Or I have the purple one. I'm trying to manifest the purple one. Okay. Let's open up this thing that you tear up here. So I'm just gonna like rip it off, I guess. It's my first Labubu ever. I can't believe I got it because I thought it was hideous, and I'm like, I don't know why people love this stuff, but now I got it. I guess I jumped on the bandwagon. Okay, so just this right here. It's so pretty. I don't know what to open it, but I have to open it because this whole video is about unboxing. I have to open it. Anyway. So you just like so. Okay, I'm just gonna rip it off. Okay. Woohoo! Finally open. Okay. There's a card that comes with it. It will tell you what color you get. I don't want to like take the card out and ruin the surprise. Okay, the card. I don't know if the card is stuck to the cover or what. Okay, maybe not. Alright, so I'm gonna close my eyes because I don't want the card to. Okay, I'm not feeling the card. So the card is inside the box. So the card is inside the box. They will tell you what color I got. I don't want to know. We'll just look at it later. But this is how it looks like. I like the whole experience of unboxing this stuff because it's like it feels like it's a whole experience. They did really well on this one. And I like that's like cute Labubus. This is the secret one. If you get this, you're really lucky apparently. But I don't really care so much for this. This is what I want, the purple one. Okay. First Labubu ever. Gonna just stare it. Okay, what? I'm scared. I don't know why, but okay, I'm gonna take her out. It's a she apparently, and show you first. Wait, I wanna feel where's the face. Okay, so this is the front. I'm gonna take her out. Ready? Are you ready? 1, 2. I'm gonna show you, and then I'm gonna show you, and you can tell me what color I got. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. What color did I got? I don't know because my eyes are closed. Okay, I'm gonna open them now. Oh, green one. Wait. No, it's the blue one. Is the green one? Is this the blue one or green? Oh, blue. Blue. I got a blue one. Woo-hee. Okay, the blue one is Hope. I have Hope. Oh, it's cute though. It is cute. It is adorable. It's creepy and adorable at the same time. I got a blue one. Or look at another thing, like if you want to know if your Labubu is Labubu, is look at the ears. The ears are close together like this. The fake one are like that. And then you can count the teeth. The teeth of the Labubu is 9 teeth. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The fake one has 10. And like the nose, and the fake one has like this is like super bright. This is so soft. I didn't realize she's gonna be so soft. And the feet looks like that. It just say the feet says Popmart. It's so cute. And the what do you call this? What do you call this? The tag is not fabric, it's plastic, and it has this thing here as well. The fake one does not have it, and the spelling here it says Popmart, not like Bob Mart or whatever. So yeah. Labubu, my first one, Hope. Her name is Hope. Isn't she cute? And she's so soft. I didn't realize she's gonna be so soft because some of the videos I look online, they're like all scruffy and whatnot. But she's so soft. Alright, that is it for today unboxing of my new first Labubu called the Hope. The blue one. Oh, I'm gonna show you also the card I was saying is this. See, it's Hope. The Hope is the one I got. Big into energy. I didn't get the purple one that I really want, like this, so that it keep it dry. But yay, first Labubu. Let me know first Labubu what color did you get. If you buy the big D energy, let me know what color did you get. What energy you got, I guess. If you like Hope, then also let me know in the comments. I like it. Not my first choice, but I do like baby blue. But baby blue is my original favorite color. Now I like lavender more, so that's why I wanted the purple one. But this is cute also. Ah, yay, first Labubu. I like how her, like if you look her eyes kind of like glitter and stuff. It's really cool. So I went hunting all over Popmarts in the central Bangkok area where there's a Central World, there's Siam Square, Siam Center. I went to all 3 Popmarts, the official store that sell and make these. This is the Wave 3. Which is called Big Into Energy. I like the holographic logo. I call them Big D Energy. If you know, you know. And it's kind of cool that if you get this blind box, right, you can see that there's all this Labubus that you can get. You just don't know which one. It's the element of surprise. I think that's what people like about them. Aside from the doll itself, or whatever you call this. Stuffed toy. You can get Love, Hope, Serenity, Luck is my favorite one, Happiness, Loyalty, or The Secret, which is kind of like dark gray or almost black. So you just don't know what you're gonna get. So I'm like, okay, well, that's kind of exciting to just buy the blind box and, you know, whatever you get, right? So I'm kind of like hoping I would get the Luck because that's my favorite. I love lavender, so I kind of like, I want a Luck one. I was like, okay, well, let me hunt for these. And like I said, I went through all those 3 stores. There's more in Bangkok. There's like at Asok Terminal 21 station, which I haven't been. I will go this Sunday, but the other day I only went to 3 Popmart stores and they're all sold out of this Wave 3, Big Into Energy. I think the second wave is Have a Seat and the first wave is Exciting Macaron, which is this one. I got it also. And since they are all sold out at the official stores, I was like, okay, well, maybe I could just get the Coca-Cola one. They have tons of the Coca-Cola ones. I don't know why nobody wants them, seems like. And let's checkmate that she's like in a plastic case. You can actually see what you're gonna get. She's wearing a crown, so she's like a queen. Tons of those also there, and I don't know why that and the Coca-Cola are there pretty much untouched. Nobody's buying them. People are looking for these because this is the Wave 3. and at the official store is 550 baht, 550 baht, but you can't buy that. And they were like, oh, well, you'll have to wait for the next restocking, and God knows when's that. I'm like, I'm not gonna wait or come there at a specific time, a specific day. I'm like, yeah, no, thank you. So I was like, okay, let me just walk around. So at one of the shopping malls, I stumbled into this local shops that sells gifts, and they had them. They had these. Okay, it's a little bit more at the local shops, but you know what? If you can't buy this at the official stores, like where else are you gonna buy them, right? And I know in the US this is like sold out everywhere, and it's a pain to get it from the website. I saw people on TikTok saying it's like they had to wait 3 hours or whatever, and then clicking the whole process seems to be like a pain trying to buy from the website at the next restocking. So I'm like, I'm gonna bother. I'm just gonna pay extra for this. This particular one was 879. They charge extra for credit card because I use my credit card. So 879 baht instead of 550 from the store that doesn't sell them anymore. So 879. I'm like, you know what? Fine, whatever. I'll pay that extra to just own one of these, right? And they also have the open one. They actually open the box out. I think the bottom part, they open it up and then they seal back in. They just want to get the card, because the card that you get with these will tell you what color did you get. So they even sell the one that's they already open. They put the card in front. I saw that they were selling the purple one for more. It was like 100 baht more to get the purple one. But I'm like, even though I really want the purple one, it's not as exciting as a blind box that you don't know what you get, right? But if you really want a specific color, you can pay extra at the local stores that they already open it for you. You know exactly what you're gonna get. But I want the surprise. I want to have the whole Labubu blind box experience. I hope you like the unboxing of my first Labubu ever. If you do, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Please share this with a bestie who loves Labubus and want to see an unboxing of the Labubu. I got the big into energy, or I call it big D energy. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I have more unboxing of Labubus like this one. This one is Exciting Macaron that I still haven't unboxed. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next unboxing of Labubus. Get more also then, because I still haven't got the Coca-Cola ones. There's the Queen one that I need to get. So make sure you subscribe. Until next time, happy Labubuing! As you know also, there are Lafufus. Okay, maybe you may not know, there are also fake ones called Lafufus.